Over here, look, bro. Look, I'm telling you, look. If you didn't get a pair of these today, man, you ain't putting no footwork, bro. If you ain't get a pair today, got him. YouTube family. Man, what's good, man? Today, man, we coming with gratitude, man. We gotta give thanks, man. Look, I thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all, man, for hitting that thumbs up, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. Hit the thumbs up for your boy Jay, man. We are here. I'm here at my local Hibbett Sports, y'all. The time is 12:05 p.m., y'all. So it is noon, y'all. It's noon. We officially got the pairs of the Gratitude 11s that haven't been picked up. They're available now at Hibbett Sports, that is. And I should really be inside because I know people might beat me to the punch, but I ain't in no rush, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, because I feel like I'm gonna find a pair, man. But what we doing today, y'all, I am looking for pairs for the giveaway winners of the Gratitude 11, y'all. If you know, your boy Jay did a giveaway. I gave away 2 pairs. I actually hit on one, which I showed y'all. That was the one I showed y'all just recently on that little clip intro. So I'm looking for one more pair, a size 8. That shouldn't be hard to find. Size 8 shouldn't be hard to find, man. So we out here to do that, man. Hey, if y'all haven't checked out my Gratitude 11 video, which you might have already because it's been going cool. Gratitude, man. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. Look, but if you ain't watch it, if you was one of the ones that ain't watch it, check that video out, man. I'm gonna link it at the end of this video. But yes, man, we out here. Real quick fit check, you know what I'm saying, before we get inside of Hibbett's. Your boy is rocking that Florida Marlins. That's the home team, you know what I'm saying? That's the home team right there. I'm rocking the Florida Marlins fitted right now. Hey, Kiss the T, man. Kiss the T. I'm rocking the Kiss T, of course, you know, infamous, legendary, famous band. Got that on. I got on the Jordan joggers today, man. I got on the Jordan joggers and I just love these shoes, man. The shoes that I'm rocking today, man, I recently doubled up on because I love them that much, bro. I got on the Jordan 1 Low. Year of the Rabbits, man. When I tell y'all I love these shoes, bro, these are so fire, man. Like I said, man, this is top 2 for me this year, man. So y'all wait for my top 10 list of this year, but top 2 for your boy Jay, man. But the intro has been long enough, man. Hibbett Sports right over there in the cut. As you can see, we about to go inside Hibbett. Check it out. Hopefully we can get the size 8, man. And yeah, that's what we here to do, man. So let's go inside here and see if we can find these shoes. What a time, man. What a time. Look at this. Look at this, man. I know I shown pretty much all these in my last vlog, but yes, mobs are still here, going on sale. Reimagine Royals, man. These right here, bro. They were going for $135 or $125 on Nike with that cyber discount, but it's gone now. But that was a steal. But Royals, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. But it's just too much releasing around this time. But these go crazy, man. Of course, we got the 4s. I still ain't hit y'all with the reviewing on feet to these, but crazy. And I'm still standing on these, man. This is one of my favorite releases, man. My favorite release is the last month, one of them. Perfect for the fall season, y'all. These wheat joints, but it's starting to mutate, bro. It's starting to mutate, man. We gotta mutate away from this area. Downhill, man. It's catching my eyes right here, man. This might be my size too. What size is it? What size? This is an 8. Size 8, but these is cold, man. I actually had a pair. I showed them to y'all, but it wasn't my size, so I might end up picking these up. I might. But Pandas, of course. Pandas are sitting, bro. Pandas sitting. Huarache's cold pair, man. These is tough. Definitely fire. I like these too, man. I like these UNC Air Maxes. These clean, man. What y'all think about these right here? Definitely a clean pair. Look at them with the laces, man. Go ahead, Nike with the blazers, man, with the pink swap. I see y'all. But yeah, man. But y'all, women's section, bro. They got these like Wu-Tang joints, man. Satin all over. I think I showed it in my last vid, man. But these solid, man. You know what I'm saying? For the ladies, just satin dunks. Satin dunks, clean. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these right here. I also got some corduroy Air Maxes, man. corduroy all over it, special edition or something. Thoughts on these, man? What's y'all thoughts on them? What's y'all thoughts? Nah, New Balance. Nah, New Balance. Nah, New Balance. If this ain't a panda, I don't know what is, man. But I'ma just put them down, bro. New Balance Pandas right here. Y'all, so I don't know. It ain't looking too good right now, man. So hopefully, you know, we might get our hand. I'm not seeing nothing but GS right now, so we gonna see. What that is in the red box?
Somebody returned it, I think.
Hello?
Oh, let me see him.
Yeah.
Satin,
Yeah,
okay.
that one.
Yeah, you got to return on some satin ones, man. Oh, she came back with the goods, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Size 8.
Size 8, man. So first stop, man. Look.
What's up, what?
But look, man. Crazy. Why we here? Somebody just brought these back. Size is this? 11, 9.5 in men. But y'all didn't even get these, did y'all?
No.
Okay. I think the mall was the only one that got them. Yeah. Got the extra laces in there? Yeah. Okay. Man, of the time. Good old size 8, man. So shout out to the winner of these. Shout out to the winner, but first stop, got that size 8. Yes, sir. They slept, so we came and got them, man. But gratitude 11, size 8, going to the winner. I got you, man. You see what's going on. Y'all, so we here, we at the skate shop now, man. So let's see what they got. First things first, look. Come on, man, tight boots, man. Tight boots, man. So this shoe right here, man, I actually bought a pair of these from here, and it did come with like some dental floss. And recently they had released the Nike SB Aprils. They released the Aprils, and they said in order for you to get a first come first serve on the Aprils to guarantee a pair, you had to bring the floss. But I sold my pair, bro. Never got the Aprils. But I do got the Aprils, but I paid retail. But tight boot joints right there, man. I think I showed these before. Actually, this is the tight boot joints, yeah. Tight boots. I said the wrong name. Those are the candy corn, the sweet tooth maybe or something like that. But I wonder if they got these in my size, man. I said I wasn't buying no more shoes, y'all, but hey, if they got these in my size, I might pick them up, y'all. But they got them in here still, man. The tight boot joints, they sitting. But let me holler at my man. Yo, what's good, man? Y'all got some more of these? You get small. Same thing with the Aprils? Oh, y'all got just kids? Okay, so as y'all can see too, for the kids, man, I told y'all, they got Aprils in here still sitting for the kids, man. So get the kids fly, man. But yeah. If they had these in my size, I might have copped them, but they don't have my size. So we just gonna put them things right back here on the shelves. But these kind of clean, man. These blazers, court purples, these kind of, hey, these smooth now, smooth. But man, they got a nice selection, but they always got some shoes in here. Yeah, so we here in Snipes, y'all. Look, bro. These right here was a hot commodity. They was reselling for a lot, but they sitting, man, and I think Hibbit is actually about to release these on Tuesday. So right around the corner. What's good, bro? Hibbit about to release these soon, man. This pair right here, man, the brown joints, man, these clean, man. I showed y'all these in a previous video, but these solid. But I'm good on them, but they clean though, they clean. Olive. Another clean pair right here. And look, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, they not going nowhere, man. Pandas is everywhere, bro. It's crazy. Pandas is everywhere, but over here, look, bro. Look, I'm telling you, look. If you didn't get a pair of these today, man, you ain't putting no footwork, bro. If you ain't get a pair today. But got those, that's a lovely sight, man. Like, I don't even think I seen Cherry 11s on shelves, man. Y'all comment down below, bro. Was Cherries on shelves? I don't think so, but of course, we seen pretty much everything else here. We ain't seen these, but we know, you know, chambrays, we know. But, yup. Got the lows, bread toes. The more I see these, the more I think about getting a pair, man. The more I see them, I'm like, bro, should I pick up a pair of these, man? The bread toe lows. But I think I'm good, man. Like I said, I'm good on these. Alright, y'all, so over here in this spot, look, I showed y'all these before, man, but this a clean pair of dunks, bro. Like, I could definitely throw it on with something that I'm wearing like right now. Like, check that out, bro. Feel what I'm saying? Definitely would go crazy, man. This is a clean pair of dunks, bro. I ain't mad at these right here at all, bro. Showed y'all these in the previous vlog, but clean. Good on these, man. These mid right here. But got those. What else we got going on in here? Retro J's. We done seen all these, man. They got lucky greens. I ain't seen these. These starting to dry up. Lucky green lows. I guess people like these, but lucky green lows. And everything else we done seen, man. This is a clean colorway too, bro. The Royal Toes. I think that's the name of these, though. Game Royals, I don't know, but these is clean, bro. Clean pair for sure. For sure. Yeah, hey, so y'all, just like that, it's over with, man. The day is over with. Like I said, man, if you wanted DMPs, you should have got DMPs. If you didn't get DMPs, hey, hang it up, bro. The shoe game ain't for you, because let me stop because I'm just speaking on my area. I know everybody else's area might be sold out or whatnot, but I think it was fairly decent, fairly easy, you know what I'm saying, to get your hands on them, you know. But hey, y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all picked them up today. Did y'all double up, triple up? Like I said, I had my double up before this day even came, so I was good. I just wanted to pick up those pairs for the fam, you know what I'm saying, which I do got them. So if y'all are watching this video, they gonna get overnighted to y'all ASAP, man. So appreciate y'all as always, man. Thank y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay, man. More movies on the way, all that good stuff. Thumbs it up, man. Thumbs it up. Go watch my gratitude video if you haven't watched it yet. But outside of that, enjoy the rest of y'all day. Stay safe, man. And I'm out, man. Jay making movies still all day, every day, man. Peace.